If you breathe air, you need to hear this. Today we're diving into the best portable air purifiers that are changing the game. Small in size but big on performance. From smart sensors that react in real time, to whisper quiet purifiers that freshen your air while you sleep, we've tested and handpicked 8 beasts that don't just clean your air, they transform your space. Whether you're battling allergies, living with pets, or just want that crisp hotel fresh air at home, I've got something here just for you. Let's break down the best of the best, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one belongs on your nightstand, desk, or suitcase. Number 1 is Purivortex Air Purifier. If you're looking for a compact air purifier that quietly dominates large spaces, the Purivortex AC400 is a game changer. With 99.97% efficiency at capturing particles as small as 0.3 microns and coverage up to 880 square feet, it's built for performance. What makes it stand out? A 50% larger filter area and a powerful motor that elevates purification speed while keeping things hushed at only 20 decibels. Add SGS certification, nightlight options, and easy-to-find replacement filters, and this one's a rock-solid choice for large bedrooms or home offices. Number 2 is Levoit LV H128 Air Purifier. Levoit is a trusted name in air purification, and the LV H128 proves why. This ultra-compact dual-filter purifier covers 161 square feet and is perfect for desktops, bedrooms, and nurseries. It's whisper quiet at 27 decibels, making it sleep-friendly, and even has a built-in aroma pad. Just add essential oils for stress relief on demand. With a one-button control system, high-quality official filters, and a 3-stage filtration process, this unit is a strong contender for those wanting fuss-free, effective purification in small spaces. Number 3 is Aroeve Portable Air Purifier. The Aroeve Air Purifier shines with a balance of performance and tranquility. Covering up to 287 square feet, it uses a dual-channel system to circulate fresh air quickly while operating at a whisper-soft 22 decibels in sleep mode. This model doubles as an aromatherapy diffuser and features a built-in filter replacement alert, so your air stays clean and your room smells heavenly. It's ideal for creating a calm, healthy environment in your home or personal workspace. Number 4 is Tdbywae Portable Air Purifier. Stylish, versatile, and impressively smart, the Tdbywae Air Purifier checks all the right boxes. It boasts 3-stage filtration and can purify up to 600 square feet, making it powerful enough for bedrooms and open-plan spaces. The upgraded wind wheel system ensures a near-silent 16-decibel operation in sleep mode, while a magnetic top cover and Type-C charging make maintenance and use incredibly convenient. Number 5 is FreAire Air Purifier. Don't let the compact frame fool you. The FreAire Air Purifier is a high-performance unit with FreAire. Its 3-stage HEPA filtration removes particles down to 0.3 microns, while a dual-channel system refreshes a 215-square-foot room, up to 5 times per hour. But it's not just about clean air. Ambient RGB lighting turns your air purifier into a decor statement. Sleep mode drops noise to just 22 decibels, and it even includes an aromatherapy function to make your space smell as good as it feels. Great for bedrooms and personal spaces where atmosphere matters. Number 6 is Stealth Air Purifier. With smart auto mode and real-time air quality detection, the Stealth Air Purifier adapts instantly to your environment. Its 3-stage H13 True HEPA system captures up to 99.97% of allergens and pollutants, while a 360-degree air intake ensures total coverage. It's built to handle rooms up to 673 square feet and can refresh the air in 269 square feet spaces 5 times per hour. The 24-decibel sleep mode is whisper quiet, and features like a filter replacement alert and multi-hour timer make this unit as smart as it is effective. This is a pro-level purifier for homes that demand intelligent air quality control. Number 7 is Shark NeverChange Compact Pro Air Purifier. Shark's NeverChange Air Purifier brings elite-level air purification with less hassle. It features HEPA-grade filtration that exceeds industry standards, capturing 99.98% of all particle sizes. The big draw? No filter changes for up to 5 years, potentially saving you $150 in replacements. CleanSense IQ gives you real-time air quality data on an LED display, and ultra-quiet operation with dimmable lights makes this model perfect for sleep. With 250 square feet coverage in just an hour, it's ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, or offices. Number 8 is Provirtec Air Purifier. Provirtec's Air Purifier is a powerhouse with brains. It boasts a 5-stage filtration system, including True HEPA 13 and activated carbon, removing 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Its KDR of 118 CFM enables fast purification of up to 916 square feet per hour, or 183 square feet in just 12 minutes. Advanced sensors detect pollutants instantly and adjust fan speed accordingly. A real-time PM 2.5 monitor and color-coded air quality display give you insight at a glance. From the silent strength of the Purivortex to the aromatherapy-friendly Levoit and Aroeve models, and the high-tech elegance of Tdbywae, each of these purifiers brings something unique to the table. Whether you prioritize silence, essential oil compatibility, portability, or powerful coverage, there's an option here tailor-made for your lifestyle.